Bafowethu, isikhathi sihambile ngempela. uJune uzofika manje. uJune kuvula iwindi, sibone ukuthi ubani ozayo ubani ohambayo. And if ufuna umdlali uqala manje ukunegotiate naye ukuthi eze kwi-team yakho. So let's hope i-Kaizer Chiefs are now negotiating the deals nabantu ababafunayo, and also negotiating abahambayo eklabini. Welcome to my podcast channel, Amakhosi Stand Podcast. I am Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Greytown. Njengamanje ngila eGoli ngizofuna umsebenzi. Let's get into it. So I'll talk about players that are likely to leave. Ama-players angasehambe anamathuba amaningi ukuthi ehambe. Lapho ngibala uRanga, the likes of Kwinika, Yomashianes, and Ntware, also Sail. I don't think they will bring back Christian Sail. So Ranga Chivavero is obvious. He's not getting a contract extension. Akekho ngisho nasebhenchini in previous games. So nje ngicasa indaba yakhe is out, yabo. Bese nethemba kade eqala isizini, but ke it's bad for umchitha. I think nathi ama-fans idlale indima enkulu ukuthi sibulale confident yakhe. So I think the management yabona nayo ukuthi there is no need to keep him. And we also have Kwinika. Kwinika uyahamba lapha kwi-Chiefs. Okokuqala, the rumors athi he is one of the highest paid Kaizer Chiefs player lapha eNaturena. So ukuhambisa yena will save us a lot of money, because akadlali, yabo. So nje he's just there in the team to support. So I think Kwinika uzohamba, but ungangitshela lapho kuma comment wena uthi ucabanga ukuthini, ukuthi engalithola yini elinye ithuba or kuphelile ngaye. Another player, I think uMashiane. I think Mashiane will go. I think it's time now ukuthi umfana eyozama kwenye indawo, because akubukeke sengathi usazoyithola indawo lapha kwi-Chiefs. Uzamile ukubuya kule season, but wathola injury, then he's out, yabo. And lento yokuthi i-Chiefs ifuna i-left back ilokhu iya ngokuqina, so they don't consider him as a player elibalekile abazolidinga in future. So I think umfana he just needs to go and play for another team, because ngathi iKaizer Chiefs akulunganga. Another player that is likely to go is Fiancre Ntware. Ntware isimo sakhe nzima, cause ufike kwi-Chiefs isazama ukuhlangana, ubackline wakho ubungaka communicate, ubungakahlangani nje ngalendlela osuhlangane ngayo, yabo. Wa consider ama goal, yabo, nje besingakamboni i-best out of him, but reality isho njalo. Ba introduce uVuma, likely for uVuma ufike sesingconywana as a team, so ubengenawo umsebenzi omningi ekumele wenze. So kunjalo nje. I think he will go because of this sports lesson. I-sports lesokuthi usikwazi ukusayina abanye abadlali base-Africa kwamanye ama-country. Last player that I think might leave Christian Sayile, I don't think bazombuyisa kwiloni yakhe, and ama-rumors has been spreading around social media besho ukuthi Christian Sayile is likely to remain at SuperSport United. So yeah, ayumjitsa kahlale lapha vele wasila then we will talk about uMatt. Yusuf Matt just extended his contract with Kaizer Chiefs for another 2 years, so is 2027 or 28. Yeah, izophela lapho. So yeah, I think he really proved ukuthi yeah, he deserve a new contract, especially kule game kade sibuka kuyona, kulama game awu-2 kade sibuka kuwona. He was fighting really hard for his place at Chiefs. So I hope ukuthi i-performance yakhe ngeke yehle emva kokusayina i-contract. Let's hope ukuthi ube ngaperformisi ukuthi ufuna i-contract. So yeah, umjitsi ube deserve a contract. So big up to management to renew his contract and remain as Kaizer Chiefs. And we have a new striker, Unaledi Hlongwane, who's been a co-striker for ETDC team. He's just promoted and offered a contract. So that's why Bengisu Ranga is likely to leave, because we have so many strikers now. Yomoris, Ranga, Dupree, Naledi Hlongwane, and also Duba. So 1 or 2 must go. The time be renew contracts ka Ashley Dupree. Ngibe nani ngibona ngibe nalento yokuthi they want to sell him esasene contracts, abafuna ukumhambisa as a free agent. I think into ebengicabangile leyo ukuthi i-strategy sabo leso ukuthi renew his contract so we can benefit some cash from Dupree's transfer. Yeah, so Naledi Hlongwane is coming to play for the first team. Good luck, and yeah, I wish uBoy efike perform laphana because izakhala kuleya team. Now we'll talk about players that might come to Chiefs or linked with Chiefs. Players like Faisal Salum, Pepe Losole, and this guy, striker, let's say, CTS Galax, Banzanovic, I'm not sure but his name, but he's linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Faisal Salum, indaba yakhe ithi akavumanga ukurenew i-contract lapha ne-Azam FC. So Azam FC also granted him a permission to negotiate with any club of his choice. So Kaizer Chiefs is one of those clubs that are currently negotiating with Faisal Salum, because this guy mangizwa noma ngibona ama-video, kodwa siyazi ama-video ako-YouTube, they only post izinto ezinhle ngeplayer, they don't post positive, they don't post negative things. So Faisal Salum might come, we don't know, but we really need him. Yeah. Also Pepe Losole, I'm not sure, but there are just rumors. His situation ukuthi njengamanje kwi-loan from his team to another team lapha ePortugal. I-team yakhe iku-second league. I-team labamlonele kuyona ilaphana kwi-top league. So yeah, indaba kaSiphephelo Sithole, I'm not sure ngayo, kodwa there are rumors ukuthi he might come to Kaizer Chiefs or any club here in South Africa. Hopefully it's not Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah. And also the guy Zanovic. It's Zanovic. I don't know, but the striker, TS Galaxy striker, is likely to come to Kaizer Chiefs. Although in one of his interviews, washo ukuthi ufuna ukudlalela i-team ewina indebe. So as we know, as Kaizer Chiefs haven't won any trophies for the last 9 or 10 years, but we will see if Kaizer Chiefs can win this Nedbank Cup, and see if he will change his mentality or the decision that he has in mind. So yeah, I think I've covered all, and also I'm wishing a good luck to Kaizer Chiefs for the next game versus Chippa United this Saturday. So let's go and support the guys. Let's hope they will keep consistent and win this game, because nale problem ukuthi we win, we lose, we draw, we win. So yeah, I think at this time we really need to win this game, preparing for the big fixtures coming. Yeah, but for a confident too and everything, yes, we really need this game. Please comment down below usho wena uthi ucabangani ngalabadlali abalinkwe kwi-Chiefs, Fisel Salum, Siphephelo Sithole, and also this guy from a striker from TS Galaxy, and also players that are likely to leave Kaizer Chiefs, your Rangas, your Marcianes, and extra. So, and also comment about Yusuf Maas getting a contract extension, and Nader Hlongwane being promoted to the first team. Till I see you in another video, please make sure you like and subscribe the video, comment down below. Ngiyanisanda bafethu. Danko.